Hey there, DIYers. Do you love building things from scratch, but find yourself struggling to come up with the perfect shed design? Well, look no further than My Shed Plans, the ultimate guide to building sheds easily and affordably. Whether you're an experienced builder or a novice, My Shed Plans offers detailed and easy-to-follow instructions that will guide you through every step of the process. With over 12,000 shed plans available, you're sure to find the perfect design to fit your needs and budget. The plans are fully customizable, so you can add your own personal touch to your shed, and the materials list is clear and concise, making it easy to gather everything you need to get started. Plus, with their step-by-step instructions, you'll never feel lost or overwhelmed during the building process. And the best part? My Shed Plans offers a 60-day money-back guarantee, so there's absolutely no risk to you. You'll also receive free updates for life, ensuring that your shed building knowledge stays up to date and relevant. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to get started with My Shed Plans today. With their easy-to-use plans and comprehensive instructions, you'll be on your way to building the perfect shed in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy building!